it's almost too hard to believe. I mean, 11 months, that thing was gone.
So many people lost everything in Hurricane Ian. Well, for one Cape Coral family, Ian's storm surge washed away this wooden owl statue. The family thought it was gone forever.
But believe it or not, Hurricane Idalia brought it back home. NBC2's Gina Tomlinson is showing you this statue's unlikely journey.
This is the same owl statue we told you about a week ago after Idalia flooded canals in the Yacht Club neighborhood. Turns out the family who owns it hasn't seen it since Hurricane Ian 11 months ago.
We were here. It was too late to go anywhere.
After riding out Hurricane Ian in his house on Bayshore Drive, John Bonsich saved what he could.
Everything was covered with water. Everybody has to have some that I'm sure that was lost in the storm.
But what about reappearing 11 months later?
It's almost too hard to believe.
This wooden owl statue floated into Warren Bullock's yard last Wednesday after Idalia flooded canals in Cape Coral. After Bullock's interview aired on NBC2, he got a knock on his door from Bonsich and his sister.
Saw the news clip that you did at my house, and they said, we're here for the owl.
I saw my wooden owl, and I said, oh, my God, there it is.
They said they lost it. They said, we lost it during Ian. And I said, Ian? Or Idalia? She said, no. Ian, 11 months ago. It was in their front yard.
Bonsich says the owl had welcomed guests into his home for years until Hurricane Ian swept it away.
I never thought I would find it. I never thought I would find it. So I'm happy. I'm happy because it was something we brought from Minnesota, and it you know, it's our little welcome sign, you know.
Ending up nearly 20 houses down on a different street.
What's the odds of something washing in the canal and still being here 11 months from now?
Now missing an eye from a treacherous journey. But the owl is back where it belongs, watching the street.
It came back. It stayed here all the time, waiting for it to be found.
In Cape Coral, I'm Gina Tomlinson, NBC2.
All new.